Hey everybody, welcome back to this video. It's exciting. We're doing a really fun promotion. It's Black Friday and everyone's been asking, please, can we get your courses? Can we please get some of your content? And it's been a whole year and we haven't done this, but we've been listening to your feedback, right, Brandon?
That's true.
And we've been taking all this feedback and improving the courses for you guys.
Let's tell them. I helped.
So, here's what happened. In the last year, guys, actually a year ago, we launched the cleaning systems course with our mentor, Corby. Mm-hmm. Some of you might have heard that call. We're going to actually replay that call for you guys after this video we do with you. But essentially, we've taken tons of feedback, right, Brandon? Tell them some of the things we've done to improve
over the
courses.
course of that year, you guys were not hesitant to tell us what you thought was missing or what we could do better, and we took all that feedback and we made improvements along the way. So there is a lot more content inside the marketing course from when we launched it the first time. Our marketing assistant, Ryan, has gotten in there and added new videos about how to do Google Guaranteed and things of that nature. So this is not a static product. It is constantly evolving, and you, as the purchaser, the Profit Cleaners, customer, you get to partake in that and always get continually updated with the new modules.
Absolutely. So we've got, like Brandon said, the updated videos from our marketing guy. We put our latest hiring funnel in there because a lot of you guys have been struggling, as we have been, with hiring people. So we've got the hiring funnel in both courses, if for that matter, because it's so important. It's such a great system. We've also been in process of upgrading our cleaning system videos, which are almost out. We're in the process of finishing in your house, Brandon, as we speak, actually.
We are filming stuff in my house with our cameraman, Josh, and we're working through that as we speak, and that one's going to be really awesome. We're talking about doing potentially this 3D model and zooming in on people as they move through the house. So we also took the feedback on that, and this will make it a lot more clear, I think, what we're trying to accomplish there. But we do want to state that, everything, all these things that are in the course, those are things that we use. So the training videos that are in there now, those are the ones that we actually train new employees with. The new ones that we make, we will train new employees with that. And anything that works on our end ends up in the course. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to be transparent and open with you guys about how we run our cleaning business so that you can run yours the same way.
Absolutely. So there's a lot of gurus out there that tell you can get rich quick and make money online and push a button. We're not those guys. We're showing you the hard work it takes to do this. And like Brandon said, we're doing exactly what's in these courses. This isn't theory. This isn't like, hey, maybe this is what you could do to be successful. This is what we do. This is how we train our teams. So it might not be perfectly polished like movie production, cinema quality, but it's good enough because we use it to scale our company to where it's at, which is almost $3 million in revenue this year, Brandon.
Correct.
And so guys, just take it for what it is. This is exactly what we use. These systems, the marketing is going to help you get more customers. The cleaning systems are going to help you deliver more profitable, more efficient cleans every single time, which is key. If you don't have the product dialed in, that is the best marketing. It's going to be so good that people can't help but tell everybody, and that's the best marketing there is. So anyways, guys, it's 50% off. This is the new improved version. You get lifetime access. So as we keep improving these modules, as we keep growing our business, we're going to put the best stuff in here, and you guys are going to continue to have access to it, but get it while it's this low. We might not ever do this kind of a deal ever again because the courses are getting so valuable. We can't keep doing this. We can't keep diminishing the value, but we want to help as many people as possible. That's the goal of the Profit Cleaners, right, guys? We want to help at least 100 people get to $1 million with their cleaning businesses. So we've got a few. We need more of you guys to come on and jump in on this opportunity. So
and then we'll ask you to be on the podcast.
Yeah, and then you can jump on the podcast and tell us your success story. So guys, jump in. Here's how you get to the deal. It's only going to be for Black Friday, maybe a day after. I don't know how long we're going to leave this up, but go to profitcleaners.com/thankful. It is Thanksgiving after all, and we just want to give you guys something that we can show you how thankful we are for you guys and for all the feedback and everything that you give us that inspires us as well to keep going. So we want to give back to you guys. So
as another way of saying thanks, we've also introduced this payment plan that'll be available on all the courses going forward. It's a third party. You can set it up with them, and then that way everyone's happy, and you get what you need in terms of finances, and we get what we need in terms of finances to keep you guys going and making more videos.
Absolutely. So the payment plan, you should find that on the checkout page if you go to Thankful. If you have any questions, if you have any other questions outside of that, just email us, hello@profitcleaners.com. We're happy to help you guys. We want to help you guys. We want to see you guys win. So again, take advantage of this offer. Don't delay, guys. These are all ideas, but execution is what's going to help set you apart, and that's what's going to be the real determining factor of your success. So take what we've packaged up here, take action on it, and take action right now and go claim your special offer, because this isn't going to be like this for very long. So tell them where one more time, Brandon.
ProfitCleaners.com/thankful.
All right, and we're going to clip right now to last year's call with Corby, where we introduced the cleaning systems course. We're going to talk mostly about the cleaning systems course, but this was such a good call. We had so many people that loved this call last year. We want to play it for you guys again, just play some of the highlights. So check it out, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the call with Corby, and until next time,
Keep it clean.
keep it clean.